Namaskar. Let us talk about fissure in ano or anal fissures and its homeopathic treatment. Anal fissure is a common condition in which you find cuts or fissures around the anus due to hard stool or some other reason whereby these cuts, these fissures don't heal easily, and this area is sensitive and it is full of infection, so the healing doesn't take place timely in the natural way, and as a result the cuts may become more severe and they are very painful. The symptoms are painfulness while passing stool. The pain may remain in the anus for a couple of hours or longer after passing stool. The common causes include constipation, diarrhea, IBS, etc. And if the cuts are very severe, they may require surgical correction. What can homeopathy do for fissure in ano? Well, the good news is that homeopathy works very well for most of the cases of fissure in ano. There are medicines which can help to heal the fissures and cuts in spite of that area being quite infective and more risk to infection. Still, homeopathic medicines can bring about recovery and healing of the cuts and fissures. So I would say most cases out of around 80 to 90% of the cases are likely to respond very well to homeopathy. Many times these cuts or fissures, they leave behind some kind of sentinel piles. There's a kind of a skin overgrowth which may appear like a piles, but they are actually not piles. They are called sentinel piles. Can homeopathy help to get rid of these sentinel piles? The answer is no, because this is a kind of overgrowth of the skin and that homeopathy cannot remove that. However, most cases of sentinel piles are harmless. They don't create any symptoms. They just create little sensation that there is some overgrowth. And if there are too many in number and large in size, which is less likely, one may get them operated. But coming back to fissure in ano, homeopathy works very well. And before you think of undergoing surgical procedure, it's always better that you use homeopathy, and there are great chances that you will do well. Of course, some dietary changes, lifestyle changes are also required, making sure that you do not remain constipated for long, because if you again get constipated because of faulty food habits and lifestyle, you're likely to get fissures coming up again. So hope this video will help patients who are seeking help for fissure in ano using homeopathy. Thank you for watching.